Good morning, my name is Karen Jones, Content Editor for the Society of Technical Analysts. Today we're going to be looking at how I look at markets from the beginning. So the first thing I look at all the time is I look at a daily chart, and the first thing I look at is trend. Now we can see quite clearly that from September 2022, the trend for the dollar has been down. However, recently we've rallied from just above 100 to around 104. So it is possible that we are starting to change trend here. We notice that the trend line has been broken here and the market's consolidating its break. So that's quite interesting. And then we look at things like the weekly chart and the monthly chart. Does that give us any more information? We look at long-term charts. This is a monthly chart, and we can see that the market has bounced quite smartly off its 20-month moving average just above 100 here. And let's look at the weekly. This is even more revealing because we've had a key week reversal back here, which suggests that we have in fact started to reverse the down move that's been in play for some months. And we can also see that the rally at 104 has stopped at a fairly critical resistance level. It's at 103.96, which was the March 2020 high, and it's also the location of the 23.6% retracement of the entire move down. So let's go back to our daily chart. So is this 104 area going to hold the upside? It's a little bit of an early call to suggest that it will or won't hold, but let's have a look at the evidence. The market is holding pretty well above its 20-day moving average. This comes in at 102.50, and for now, I'd maintain a fairly positive bias to the market. It's clearly stopped at 104 for now, and I suspect it's just consolidating. The DMI is neutral. The plus DI and the minus DI are just sitting next to each other here. The RSI is fairly neutral. So for now, I think it's just going to consolidate. Is there anything else of note that I need to have a look at? I tend to look at things like where the cloud is. So let's put that on. And we can see the cloud is also coming in at this 104 area as well. We've got this resistance over here at 104.50, which was the low we got in August 22. So I suspect what we're going to see is some consolidation around this 104, 104.50 area before we get going again on the top side. Provided it remains underpinned by 102.50, we're going to continue to view this with a bit of a positive bias given its recent key week reversal. Thanks very much.